Ah, no, I've lost my standalone hard drive. That was full of important stuff for me. I have, in fact, been backing up all of my client stuff on DVDs, and that's worked fairly well, but in this case, I got lazy. I used this drive just to store stuff, and it was filled up with important things, stuff that I could have used to revamp some of the videos for YouTube and etc. So I'm going to have to figure out something new. I've decided on standalone storage. I'm going to continue, obviously, to use the computer to do this, but I am going to plug in a USB thumb drive. And everything that I do on the computer will be backed up daily on the thumb drive. When I am finished with that particular project, everything on that thumb drive will be downloaded and archived on a DVD. The DVD that I've downloaded will accompany a full page of what the contents of that DVD are. And I will put that into a 3-ring binder. So whenever I want to access all of that material, I go to that binder and pull out the appropriate one. Each of the pages is listed as according to its either project or the drive that it was found on. I'm sure this will work really well, and in fact I'm happy about it. I do not want to use the cloud. It's amazing, whenever I want something, Amazon has it. So here's a great little zippered storage case for thumb drives. Anyway, it does a great job, and that means that I can find these things easily. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and by all means subscribe. Hit the bell, and be sure to get notice of upcoming and new videos. Have a great day.